Hello dear students, I hope you all are fine. Today I will teach you vowel I sound words. Students, do you know how many vowels are there? Yes, tell me. Very good. There are 5 vowels. Look at these vowels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 vowels. A, E, E, I, O, U. And this is vowel I. This is vowel I. I sounds I. I sounds I. I sounds I. Now I will show you few two-letter words of vowel I sound. In these words, I joined vowel I with consonant. It forms a new word. And how will we read these words? Let's understand. I show you first word. Here. I joined I with G. I with G. I sounds A. I sounds A. And G sounds G. G sounds G. And when we read it jointly, it becomes IG, ig. IG, ig. IG, ig. Now, see next word. Here I joined I with D. Okay. I sounds A. I sounds A. D sounds D. D sounds D. And when we read it jointly, it becomes ID, id. ID, id. ID, id. Now, next word is IB. IB. I sounds A. B sounds B. I sounds A. B sounds B. So it becomes IB, ib. IB, ib. Next word is IN. IN. I sounds A. I sounds A. N sounds Na. It becomes IN, in. IN, in. Next word IP, ip. I sounds A. P sounds P. So it becomes IP, ip. IP, ip. Very good. Next IT, it. I sounds A. T sounds T. IT, it. IT, it. Students, now we will learn 3-letter words of vowel I sound with the help of few flashcards. Look at this flashcard. Look at this. Can you recognize this picture? Yes, tell me, what is this? Yes, this is bib. This is bib. Students, you might have seen babies wear it while eating or drinking. Okay, let's see. You have read IB, ib. IB, ib. In the starting of ib, I joined V. I joined B. So when we read it jointly, it becomes B-I-B, bib. B-I-B, bib. B-I-B, bib. Now look at this flashcard. Yes, recognize this picture. What is this? This is lid. This is lid. We used it to cover pan and pot. Okay, you have seen this in your kitchen. So ID, it. You have read ID, it. I joined L at the starting of it. So it becomes LID, lid. LID, lid. L-I-D, lid. Next flashcard. This is wig. This is wig. Wig is made of fake hairs. It is used for different hairstyles. Okay, students? Yes, the spelling of wig is W-I-G, wig. W-I-G, wig. W-I-G, wig. Here, what is this? This is bin. This is bin. You have seen the bin in hospitals, schools and malls, and it is available also at your home. See the spelling? B-I-N, bin. B-I-N, bin. B-I-N, bin. Next picture. This is zip. Zip is used in bags, pants and other dresses. Okay. Look at the spelling. Z-I-P, zip. Z-I-P, zip. Now students, we read more 3-letter words. You have to read these words with me, so it makes easy to you understand these words. Okay, let's start. I be ip, I be ip, N I be nip, N I be nip, B I be bib, B I be bib, R I be rib, R I be rib, F I be fib, F I be fib, I D id, I D id, B I D bid, B I D bid, D I D did, D I D did, K I D kid, K I D kid, H I D hid, H I D hid, L I D lid, L I D lid, I G ig, I G ig, B I G big, B I G big, D I G dig, D I G dig, P I G pig, P I G pig, F I G fig, F I G fig, W I G wig, W I G wig. Read few more words. I N in, I N in, P-I-N pin, P-I-N pin, T-I-N tin, T-I-N tin, F-I-N fin, F-I-N fin, S-I-N sin, S-I-N sin, W-I-N win, W-I-N win, I-P ip, I-P ip, S-I-P sip, S-I-P sip, R-I-P rip, R-I-P rip, D-I-P dip, D-I-P dip, Z-I-P zip, Z-I-P zip, H-I-P hip, H-I-P hip, I-T it, I-T it, S-I-T sit, S-I-T sit, H-I-T hit, H-I-T hit, F-I-T fit, F-I-T fit, K-I-T kit, K K-I-T, kit. L-I-T, lit. L-I-T, lit. Student, I hope you understood vowel I sound words. Do practice of reading these words regularly at your home. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.